right, well, welcome to southern Germany. We're in Friedrichshafen, Germany. And if you're wondering where that is, it's about the southernmost point in the whole country. It's got small villages, it's very bucolic, and a lot of people come here on vacations. It's also the location historically of a lot of aviation projects. The Zeppelin hangar is right across the way here, where they made all the Zeppelins, including the Hindenburg. We're here at the Aero Show, which is a pure general aviation show, exhibition, to see what some of the latest designs are and to take a look at the future of what we might be flying in the relatively near future. Let's start off with a look at some of the electrically powered aircraft down in Hall A7, down that way. Well, German designer Kalin Glogen has been designing solar electric powered aircraft in the ultralight category since 2011. And some of them have had wingspans of up to 27 meters. But his latest design is a two-place trainer. He's got a charging trailer with solar panels that goes with it so that you can charge it in the field. Let's take a look and see what Kalin's got to say about his development.
Very important was to get a reasonable flight time, and we demonstrated 2.5 hours flight time. Very important was to have a low operation cost. Operation cost which you calculate for a flying school, flying about 500 hours per year. Total operation cost only about 65 euro or dollar, which is very less.
We're still in the E-Flight Expo Hall, and this is Bristol B-23 behind me. H55 is an electric motor company, and what they're doing is they're developing electric power plant packages for use in the Bristol and also in Piper Archers. We've got on hand with us here Andre Borschberg. You might remember him from the Solar Impulse flight. Well, now he's into electric motors, and let's see what he's got to say about the H55.
With this technology that you see here, we can fly with a two-seater flight trainer an hour and a half in total. So an hour flight missions, 30 minutes reserve. So ideal for this type of application. So that's our first application, was our first customer to work together with BRM to provide a CS23 or FAR23 certified electric airplane.
Well, you may have heard of the new old A50, Junkers A50. That's what's hanging up there behind me, tandem seat. Well, Junkers has come out with a brand new follow-on model that's pretty much different from the A50 idea. And that's it right there. It's got the same engine, Rotax 912, but it's got side-by-side seating, retractable gear with an option of a canopy. So this is what to look for in the coming months.
So the A50 was an original 1929 design that we've brought new life to. And the A60, although not a historic aircraft, it takes a lot of the design cues from the A50, but incorporates more of a modern tricycle gear, side-by-side aircraft that the market today expects.
Okay, we're in Hall B2 now, and we're at the JMB Aircraft booth. And these airplanes are built in the Czech Republic. The one behind me is a Rotax-powered one. They have other Rotax-powered models. But new last year, they brought out a turboprop single, and we're going to take a look at that.
So the airplane we have here today, it's equipped with a TP90 from a French manufacturer. It's a little bit different than your standard turbine in the sense that it eats a lot less fuel. So here, in this case, we have a 160 horsepower engine, but we're talking fuel burns similar to a Rotax. So when we're below 10,000 feet, with a TP90, we're able to do about 160 knots with about 9.5 gallons an hour, which is something that's really unheard of. And there's a lot of US guys that want a fast an affordable turbine. And for the price of a normal turbine, you can have an entire plane. So we're starting prices around 400,000 USD with good equipment already, meaning one Garmin G3X, autopilot, nav lights, strobe lights, luxury interior, luxury paint jobs. To get them into the US, of course, it's going to be under EAB at the moment. So you would have to come to the factory, do the assess build program, and register it under EAB.
Hey, we're in Hall B3 now with Goget Air, a very appealing piston single. Rotax 915, 140 knot cruise, 38 knot stall, enough fuel capacity for a 9-hour endurance at reduced power setting, of course, and a ballistic parachute, Dynon avionics. It's selling for $230,000 in the US. It's built in Slovenia, and it's really worth checking out.
Our main feature is that we are not looking for the top speeds, but we are looking for the quality and safety of the airplane that it's made.
Hey, thanks a lot for watching. It's the end of the show. Looks like it's party time. Hope you enjoyed it. And drop us a line with some of your comments about the airplanes that you enjoyed the most.